Ever thought about how your gardening practices can impact the health of our planet? Welcome to the enlightening world of sustainable gardening, a vital step towards preserving our environment. This video will guide you, step by step, to cultivate a more sustainable garden. So, are you ready to transform your garden into a sustainable oasis? Starting a sustainable garden doesn't require a green thumb, just a green heart. Let's break it down into simple, earth-friendly steps. First up, consider using native plants. They're well suited to your local climate and soil, meaning they require less water and fewer fertilizers. Plus, they provide a familiar habitat for local wildlife. Next, let's talk composting. By turning your kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich compost, you not only reduce waste, but also nourish your garden naturally. It's a win-win. Water conservation is another key aspect. Collect rainwater and use it to quench your garden's thirst. This not only saves precious water resources, but also gives your plants a natural drink. Avoiding chemicals is crucial. Instead of reaching for a pesticide, encourage natural predators like birds and ladybugs. They'll keep pests in check, while you maintain a toxin-free garden. Finally, promoting wildlife can be as simple as installing a bird feeder or building a small pond. These additions boost biodiversity, making your garden a miniature ecosystem. Each of these steps contributes to a healthier planet. They reduce your environmental footprint and create a thriving, sustainable garden that's full of life. Remember, every small step towards sustainability counts. Your garden can be a testament to that. Let's recap what we've learned about sustainable gardening. It's a process that boosts soil health, conserves water, and fosters biodiversity. Each step, from composting to native planting, plays a crucial role. Sustainable gardening isn't just good for the earth, it's good for you and your garden. Ready to make a difference with your garden? The earth-friendly tips shared today can transform your space, helping you contribute to a healthier planet. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more eco-friendly tips. Happy gardening!